Hello everyone, my name is Sehrane Kazımlı. I am an founder and product lead of Agrovise. I want to start with one question. If you worked all season, took all the risk, grew the food, but someone else took 60% of your money, how long would you keep working? It's cool. Agrovise and AI-powered agriculture marketplace that directly contacts farmers with supermarket, restaurant, and export buyers, eliminating intermediaries who currently capture 4 to 60% of farm revenue. We launch in Azerbaijan and scale across CIS and MEA to integrate models on one platform. First, supermarket, real-time AI pricing with immediate size. Second, contract model, fixed price guarantee before planning, zero hardware risk. Our most powerful feature voice AI interface. A farmer who can't write or write opens the app, speaks in their own language, and AI handle everything. Letters in you no longer a barrier to digital agriculture and studied business administration. I handled development myself. I conducted direct flight across Azerbaijan farming communities. I know every layer of this business. Let us look at the problem. Across CIS and MENA agricultural market, farmers sell their products of intermediates are 40 to 60% below market value. Zero price visible, no direct buyer access, no digital tools built for them. In Azerbaijan alone, over 70% of farmers face the reality every single season. Agriculture employs 3-4% of their workforce, yet contributes only 5.5% of GDP. That gap is not a contraction. It is the direct result of a broad simple chain that benefits intermediaries and no one else. I did not risk this in the report. I saw it in the flight. I spoke with these farmers. This problem is real. That market opportunity is clear and uncontested. Global aggregate TAM $14 billion, CSM Minia SAM $190 million. Our serviceable market across Azerbaijan, Georgia, and Uzbekistan in 3 years, $48 million. Azerbaijan has 89% internet penetration and 12.2 million mobile transactions. The government has designated agriculture as one of four in national economic priority sectors. The digital infrastructure is ready. The demand is real. The competition is zero. Why exists today? Three national intermediates variable flow offline strategically intertwined to keep pricing hidden. Because transparency describes their margin, generic international aggregate apps built for English speaking take later to yours in development markets, not for this region. Need solution connects farmers directly to institution buyers. This is not a gap, this is market waiting to bullet. Agrovise integrates image, sales, and precision contracting into one AI-driven mobile platform. Soft market, real-time AI price recommendations verified by matching, GPS delivery transaction, explore payment reals within 24 hours. 3 to 5% combination pro transaction. AI diamond for forecasting by crop type and return, fixed price guaranteed before planting. By commits to Coventry and delivery date, zero hardware risk for the farmer, to free present communication play subscription fee. Voice AI interface, the farmer speaks, the AI acts, no reading required. All transcription mimicked through speaking communication is their own language. One platform, triple crowds, break crowds, bleed for this market.
नहीं नाश्ता मतलब मुझे नाश्ता कब क्या मिलेगा मैडम? 8:30 बजे मुझे आता है ना, नाश्ता नहीं किया है। बोला नहीं अभी तो आपको खाना खिलाना है, नाश्ता करके आना। तो डबल चक्कर कौन करते हैं?
So,
Please continue. Devam edin.
together. To the Today, across years and many know platform communication, supermarket, contract model, local language, voice AI interface, off model, varied export payment, and prison risk management in a single mobile product. No communication of this computation in user is risk today. We are pre-review MVP under active development. Azerbaijan is a proof of concept, CS, MER scale. Let's us look at these numbers. Year one, 2,000 farmers, 120 buyers, $1.8 million GMV, $24,000 AR, 65% gross margin. Year two in 2000 farmers, 850 buyers, $9.5 million GMV, $190,000 year, 70% gross margin. Year three, 85,000 farmers, 4,200 buyers, $42 million GMV, $336,000 AR, 72% grand margin. Break even at many 18, LV to CAC revision 2021. Now by Korea and by TechTai. Korea is a global leader in smart farming technology, precision agriculture, AI, and rural digitalization. We did not come here custom pitch. We came here to find the right Korean partner, technology cooperation, smart farming, sensor IoT synthesis, precision agriculture, AI integrates into the AgroWise platform. In return, first movie access to the Azerbaijan and CS agriculture market, country R&D, AgroWise provides real-time farm data, AI flight testing environment, and full on-the-ground operations support. Korea investment side around $80,000, 8 present equity $1 million, pre-money valuation, break fee money 18, 11 to CAC 20 to 1. Azerbaijan is not cost or marketing. Azerbaijan is your test bed for seas expansion. Their intermediate has captured the value for too long. Their farmer has created the risk for too long. Otherwise, is blue to change that. Every farmer deserves a free praise for their hard work. Thank you.